O L K. Southeastern Scott and Northwestern. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Garland County and central Arkansas, southwestern Yell County and central Arkansas, southeastern Scott County in western Arkansas, northern Montgomery County in western Arkansas, until 9 p.m. At 8:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Odin, or 16 miles northwest of Mount Ida, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hot Springs Village, Mount Ida, Mountain Pine, Odin, Myers, Jessieville, Lake Washita State Park, Lofton, Malden, Muddy Creek Wildlife Management Area, Rockwell, Avant, Fanny, Mile, Lena Landing Recreation Area, Hamilton, Hempwallace, Story. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXA 55 in Little Rock, originating